Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add nickname on TikTok. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. Then you want to go on your profile page. Once on your profile page, you are going to see at the top of the page right above your profile pic, you will see the option add name. You are going to simply tap on that. And as you can see here, your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days. So you can simply type in your nickname right here. And once you have typed in your nickname, you can simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then tap on confirm. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.